Hello everyone. This video is about exposing the unknown lighter side of great inventors, including our Indian scientists like C.V. Raman, Srinivas Ramanujan, etc. Dr. C.V. Raman was conferred the Nobel Prize for the discovery of an optical phenomenon named after him as the Raman effect. In a celebration in Paris marking the 25th anniversary of the discovery, he was offered a glass of champagne. Dr. Raman refused the drink and said, "You may know the Raman effect on alcohol, but certainly I won't let you see the alcohol effect on Raman." Raman was a strict teetotaler. In a classroom, the teacher was asking simple division in arithmetic, with bananas or brinjals as examples. Some students had the answers. As the class was in session, a boy asked if none of the bananas was divided among none of the boys, how much would each boy get? The whole class burst into laughter. But the boy was actually questioning the teacher about the concept of infinity. This was a concept that baffled mathematicians for centuries until the great Bhaskaracharya proved that 0 divided by 0 was neither 0 nor 1 but infinity. The student was Srinivas Ramanujan, who was born on December 22nd, 1887. He had a voracious hunger for figures and he needed about 2000 papers per month for jotting down his ideas, which later came to be known as Ramanujan's frayed notebooks. He often claimed that he dreamt of his problems and answers in sleep. German physics professor Wilhelm Röntgen was the first Nobel Prize awardee in physics in 1901 for the discovery of X-rays. It was November 8, 1895. He placed his hand between the discharge tube and fluorescent screen. Bones within the flesh were seen on the screen. And then he asked for his wife's hand. One of the earliest photographic plates from his experiments was a film of his wife's Bertha's hand with a ring. Then Röntgen concluded that a new type of rays emitted from the highly evacuated glass tubes, known as Crookes tube, pass through most substances including the soft tissues of the body but not the bones and most metals. Röntgen refused to take out patents related to his discovery of X-rays as he wanted the society as a whole to benefit from the practical applications of the phenomenon. Louis Pasteur is well known even to a school child because of the process called pasteurization developed by him to prevent spoilage of milk. His other development includes preventing the spoilage of beer, but he was then a teetotaler. Almost he would experiment with beer along with his colleagues and afterwards taste it to check out any improvement. Once after an experiment with his friend, both drew beer in a pair of glasses from a vat as usual. His colleague downed the drink and he was apparent delight. He said, "Louis, the work is finished, the drink is perfect." Pasteur took a sip but he did not like it. He then put a drop of beer on a glass slide and placed under microscope. He studied it for quite some time and then in a moment of joy said, "It is perfect." He would tell his disciples, "Do not put forward anything that you cannot prove by experimentation."